Hey loves, today we'll be making my delicious quick and easy Cajun shrimp boil dinner. So without further ado, let's get started. Starting off with cleaned and deveined shrimp, drizzling just a small amount of olive oil. I'm going to add my homemade Cajun seasoning, which has a little cayenne pepper, smoked paprika, Italian basil, oregano, and all of that good stuff. The ingredients will be definitely listed below in the description bar. Adding the potatoes, corn, and carrot mixture. Now when it comes to the potatoes, I've placed the potatoes in the microwave to pre-cook for about 5 minutes. To enhance the flavors, I'm also going to add roasted garlic and herb seasoning. And last but not least, we're also going to add ranch seasoning. Combining all of these ingredients together is definitely going to make this oven Cajun shrimp boil taste really bomb. Placing our mixture onto aluminum foil along with a couple dabs of butter and tightly securing, we're going to place the packet into our preheated 400-degree oven for about 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, this is what we have. As you saw, this recipe was super quick and easy to put together, not to mention the flavors. As always, thanks to Cooking with Tammy. Definitely share and subscribe, and most importantly, enjoy.